In this video, I'll detail how to enable swipe to switch clock face on Apple Watch. Like if you want to change your Apple Watch faces by just swiping on the screen like this, without pressing and holding the iPhone screen, then you can easily turn this on if you know how to go about it. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on swipe to switch clock faces on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the YouTube crown once and then scroll down until you see the settings here. You can go ahead and click on that. Now, once you selected that, on the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to clock. Click on that. Then once you click on clock, you should see swipe to switch watch face. Switch between your watch faces by swiping left or right from the edge of the screen, then turn this on. Then once that is turned on, hit the back button. Now, to change watch face on your Apple Watch, just need to swipe from the left like this. It's going to replace the existing one again, so you no longer need to press and hold. Why press and hold still works, but this provides the easiest way or method you can use to swipe your Apple Watch watch face. So you see that? So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.